Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by granting Zarchiver storage access so the app can read and write files. This is essential. Once done, open the folder with the archive and tap it to view the file list. You should inspect file names and sizes to confirm the archive is what you expect. If you see many small files or a nested folder, take note. You will choose extraction options accordingly. Make sure the target folder has enough free space before moving to extraction. You now pick how to extract. Choose Extract here for quick use or Extract to place files in a specific folder. If the archive is encrypted, enter the password when prompted. A wrong password will fail silently. Once you select Extraction, watch the progress indicator and note any errors listed. If files already exist, decide whether to overwrite, skip, or rename. You can also extract only selected files to save time and space. After extraction finishes, you should verify the files. Open a few to confirm integrity and that the folder structure matches expectations. If media or documents fail to open, try viewing them with appropriate apps or use Zarchiver's test option. Once verified, you can move, compress, or share the extracted files. Troubleshooting tip: if extraction errors occur, re-download the archive, ensure storage space and permissions, then attempt extraction again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.